How to fix cannot start camera on WhatsApp? Let's see how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on WhatsApp, tap and hold, tap on I button, tap on storage, tap on clear data, clear cache, OK to confirm, go back to previous page and make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one. After allow all permission, go to Play Store and search here WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp app if it's available for updates. Now wait for completing update process. After completing update process, open your WhatsApp. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.